Hi everybody, I'm Anthony Devine. I get to be the teacher librarian at El Cajon Valley High School. And one of my passions is to get students to share their learning story through creating and curating their digital portfolio. I've been blogging about digital portfolios for a long time, about how they really make students think deeply about what and how they learn. I've even had the chance to talk about it on a recent podcast. And now that libraries in my district are the custodians of our one-to-one initiative, I've gotten to spend a lot of time working with classes and students individually on building up their digital portfolios so that over time their digital portfolio becomes a personalized record and reflection of their learning at my school. We've got amazing students at my school and a fantastic staff that is working to help them build their learning story through digital portfolio curation. Check out Mrs. Castaneda's site. Her peer mentors are working with students with special needs and helping them meet their learning goals. Mrs. Wright and Mrs. Michelson are having their avid students do some fantastic things on their digital portfolios. Mrs. Variotti is a science teacher and an early adopter of getting students to use digital portfolios to demonstrate understanding. Mrs. Smith is on board with digital portfolios in her science class. Mr. Ford's students are all in when it comes to showing what they can do with what they're learning about multimedia production in his classes. Mrs. St. John's avid students are sharing some great things on their digital portfolios, and the same is happening in Mrs. Menard's avid class. Mr. Namematsu has his students going above and beyond when it comes to digital content curation. And Ms. Fosselman has helped us jumpstart getting our freshmen in their Brave Adventure classes to share digital portfolios. It's taken time and work, but the goal is that all the students at El Cajon Valley High School share what they're learning on their digital portfolios, and then they share that learning with the world. Check out this web address for more samples of student work. I think that digital portfolios provide students with a sense of ownership of what they are learning. It's not enough to prove to your teacher that you learned something. You need to prove to yourself and to the world that you can back up your learning with evidence that anyone can see. I'm excited about what the future holds for digital portfolios at El Cajon Valley High School. I'm very proud of the work our school is doing in this area, and I'm very proud to be part of it. Please go back in this video and look at some of those web addresses that pop up throughout the video. I think you'll be impressed by the things happening at El Cajon Valley High School.